再去看世界，咱要来看分布伫咧后亚一种强迫长颈的动物，叫做上雕。伊上大着小是伊的阿妈棍顶悬有白色或者是黄色的毛。最近有保育团体为监视器的画面，发现因已经有生脱后一代啊，大家是拢欢喜甲。
英国的保育团体伫9个月进前，伫英格兰西南部的森林内底，秘密野放强要绝种的动物上雕。 拢总8只母的，甲7只公的，而且伫因的分尸顶挂无线电的追踪器，即嘛透过自动感测的卡米拉，还佫翕到细只的上雕，伫暗时喙甲细只的食灵动物，当咧找食的画面。
This is a real kind of success point, obviously, for the project. Any reintroduction project, you want to see animals breeding and then dispersing across, well, in this case, across the southwest. It's going to be a very slow progress for that. So, having young in the first year is a really good point.
为19世纪维多利亚的时期开始，真侪腊肠的看守员会用枪甲上雕断死来做耍，或者是为着要得到因的皮衫，大量掠起来抬。 佮加上1900年了后，英国95%的森林因为农业发展、城市扩大，森林大量的树仔互错掉等等的原因，地属上雕的栖地愈来愈少，互因愈好找到食的甲伴侣。所以有甲1世纪外的时间，拢无佮看过上雕出现伫咧这片森林内底。
We've been monitoring the pine martens with radio tracking. They tend to frequent places where it's quite easy access, so they might even use footpaths as well.
To actually get the footage of them dashing through the undergrowth and climbing around on tree stumps and things is just like, yeah, amazing. We're really excited.
虽然全世界上雕数量愈来愈少，不过并无确定统计的数字。保育人士讲，有即个成功的经验，未来这几年这的上雕数量会稳定成长。 所以今年的秋天会阁野放阁较侪上雕。公司新闻，新乐培编译。